Hi everyone. So today we are again with a new question. So last time we had a discussion on one scenario-based question where we were trying to remove the duplicates from the string, but there was only one row. And now we have come up with the new question. This question was asked in the comments, so I've just included it. Now you can see that in our input table we have two columns, ID and name. Inside the ID we have A, B, and C, and inside the name we have various strings are there in the form of numbers with a delimiter comma. So for each row, like for A, we have 1, 3, 2, 4, 2. We need to remove the duplicates and arrange them in a ascending order, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly for B, we are going to do it, and same process we are going to do it for the C. So let's see how to do it in SAS. So now you can see in the SAS environment, I have simply created the same type of data set which we were discussing in an Excel file. So inside it, I have only given two variable ID and name, and the same data I have inserted here. Let's see if it has run successfully. Okay, so we can see the data looks fine to us. So what we will do, we will create a new data set now, and we'll try to run a loop. Just let me write this. Okay, now you can see that what I have done here is I'm just copying data from the test from into the test one, and I have started one loop which will start from one, and this will be running for each of these row, and I am considering here the name variable here. So first thing what I have done here is that I have removed all the comma here by using compress function, and I'm just taking the length so that it will iterate only this much time, like how many numbers are there. After then I've created a new variable name one which will be actually containing the value with the help of scan function, and scan function will be simply taking out these numbers one by one and inserting it into the new rows. If I run this out, you will see it's looking like this. So you can see it will run like only 5 times, and the numbers are inserted in a new row. Similarly for the rest of these values. Now we simply need to use the proc sort. So I'm considering this data set, and in the output part we only need this. We'll be using no dupe key, and I'm mentioning two variable here. First one is ID. For each ID we want to remove the duplicates, and second one is the name one, which the new variable which we had created. So now you can see the duplicate records have been removed, and now we need to again convert it into the same form. Like for each row we need to concat these numbers for each particular category in this ID. Okay, so let's see how to do that. Now for the next part, what we have done here is we are copying again this data from the test one into the test two, and we are retaining the value of this name two. So this will be the new variable which we have again now created, and we are applying the first dot last dot here by using by ID statement. So for the first occurrence in the ID, we are simply copying the value of the name one into the name two part, and for rest of the values like which will be the next occurrence, like the second, third, fourth, fifth, and so on. For that part, we're simply using the catex function, and into it we are using the delimiter comma, and we are simply actually applying the next value into the name two part, next value of the name one into the name two part, and we are only keeping the last ID. so that we could see the result, the last result only. So if I run this part, you will see this one. So for A, we can see we have the desired result. For B, but we do not need this name one part. So let's remove it. So I'll be simply applying keep here because we need only ID and name too. And we'll again rename, sorry, we'll rename this part name to name. Okay, let's see how does it work. Okay, so you can see we have got the desired output. So in this way we can solve this problem. Thank you guys.